What up, bitches? Yes, sir. Hello guys, it's your girl Nonya, and guys, the way my eyes are actually doing shining, yeah. It's your girl Nonya, so you already know where it is, what's up. I'm back with another video. This one's a quick one. This one is just an informal one because really and truly, like, people keep on asking me, like, oh my god, Nina, your eyebrows are so nice. I don't know how you do it, my god. Because I can't lie, I've changed my routine on how to do my eyebrows now. I'm gonna put a before picture, and then I'm gonna put an after. So obviously everyone was into this one in 2020, but I switched up the game and done it like this, bitch. So I'm trying to be like them makeup artists on IG, do you get me? So they have some type of different, like, highlighted type of thing. It used to be a thing back in the day, but then obviously everyone was just like, you look clownish, but I brought it back. I brought it back, bitch. So yeah, people keep on asking me, so I'm just here to do a tutorial for you guys today on how to quickly do your eyebrows, like how I do it. So an IG type of eyebrow, makeup eyebrow for dummies and all of that type shit. So yeah, I don't know what the title's gonna be, but yeah, let me shit, I'm gonna talk you guys through it because I feel like it's easier if I talk you guys through it. I don't want to do a voiceover. I literally cannot be asked, fam. The editing is long, so I'm just gonna talk through it, and it's gonna be very detailed. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this video pumping, jumping, do you get? So firstly, you want to get any type of powder you have for your face. I have the Laura Mercier one. You're literally gonna pat it on top of your eyebrows. This is because if you have oily skin, your eyebrows are going to be quite oily in it, and since I'm using a pencil, it's quite difficult to draw on if your face is oily, so I just use a powder to powder it down, do you get? I also have a Brock eyebrow pencil. You can get it from any beauty supply store. It depends on what you guys have. If you have gel, you can use gel. If you have a pencil, you can use a pencil, but I feel like a pencil sharpened is the cheapest and easiest way to get your eyebrows on mother flipping fleek, bitch. So yeah, I use a pencil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm literally going to quickly, with your normal face, I'm gonna quickly fade all the way at the end, like so. Basically draw just an outline of your eyebrows, your natural eyebrows. I normally thread my eyebrows anyway, so that's why it's always intact. If you guys want to see how I actually like do my own eyebrows, I'm gonna put the link in the description. But yeah, this is how I do it, just like so. So you can see it's already neat, right? Always follow your hair, man. It makes it easier for you when you're now concealing it, do you get me? I used to do heavy drawing, like heavy filling in. I don't like doing it too heavy because, I don't know, it doesn't look cute anymore. Like, I'm 20, I need to grow up. So I now have a spoolie and a concealer brush. I got this from Amazon. I literally got a whole packet of like just eyeshadow brushes, and then this was part of them. This is the only one I actually kept that I actually like, and the rest I actually don't know where they are. So I'm gonna use the spoolie bit and literally drag the colouring in just to go all over lightly on my eyebrow front. As you can tell, I don't actually draw the beginning of my eyebrows. I don't, because I don't feel like it's a cute look in it. So I'm literally just brushing it so it can have some type of effect, you know, when I end up doing it with concealer. Then I'm going to get a light type of concealer. As you can see, this is like 3 shades lighter than me, bitch. Like 3 shades more fucking lighter than me. But that is the secret thing you guys need to do. You need to get a shade lighter than you for your eyebrows to give it that type of look. So if you're my color, I suggest you actually get this one. This is the Infallible More Than Concealer L'Oreal Paris concealer, and I got it in the shade 336, which is toffee. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try. No, you can't, but I'm gonna put it in the description box anyway. I literally just lightly draw under like this. Draw under my eyebrow. I feel like because it has a brush, it's just so much easier to flip in, put on, do you get? So I'm gonna drag it all the way neatly to the tail, just like that. And then I'll do the same for the other side. Gonna grab some, so you don't, you know, overuse. I'm just gonna grab some from the other eyebrow. See how I made a mistake there? Like, I kind of put it on my hairs but that can be sorted out, you know. Just lightly take your time. Dash. You'd want it a bit past your wing so you can get that cute effect, you get me? So now, because it's so light, you need to tone it down, fam. You can't have too much product on your eyebrows. So I'm literally just gonna drag it all the way down. Drag it, drag it, drag it. Especially at the base, like where you've started. Because you having a lot of product on that area, when you finally put your foundation on, it does not look cute. Like in real life, it does not look cute. In pictures, it may look cute, but in real life, it doesn't look cute. And you don't want to be a catfish, baby. I know this is an Instagram kind of eyebrow, but I don't want it solely based on Instagram. Do you get me? Like it has to be, it has to be in real life as well. You gotta be pretty in real life, and that's one period. So with the other side of the brush, I'm just correcting the eyebrow to make it sharp. I'm gonna get another brush. You can just get any brush. This is like my blending brush. Actually, this is not actually my blending brush. I can't find my blending brush. So this is a back, you know, this is a backup. So all you need to do, raise your eyebrows up and tap away, baby. Make sure you're dragging it down. Don't drag it upwards. You can tell if there's a lot of product on a particular area, so you just sort that out with this brush. So you do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Dragging it down, dragging it down, dragging it down, dragging it down. Patting it as well, so you don't get any harsh lines. I'm gonna get a beauty blender. You don't even need to spray it because I feel like not spraying it is better. I don't know why. So what you're gonna do, you're literally gonna drag it, fam. You're gonna drag it all under your eye, all the way to the end of the wing, just like this. Make sure you're very close. And make sure you know what you're doing so you can see completely. You're dragging it all the way. Who is belling my line? What the hell? So you see how this side is very blended compared to this side. Do you get? So you'd want it to be like this, not like this. So you're doing the same thing to the other side. So now I'm literally gonna tweak the top because I can see in the top there's a bit more product. So I just need to be tapping the top so it becomes faded in with the rest of the product. As I finish the bottom now, you're now going to get your actual foundation, and I have the foundation L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Fresh Wear. I use these two together because bitch, this is just the best combination for my face. The fuck, I'm trying to put people on this exact foundation. Is the best ever, I'm telling you. Like, it's drugstore, it's cheap, and it's peng. Do you get? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna now put a bit of my concealer and my foundation, and I'm gonna mix it together so it's not too much of a difference on your eyebrows. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm now gonna get my blending brush and literally draw the top. Listen, the top is precision. You have to be so precise. I'm telling you guys now, like, see, just like that, bitch. So you're gonna do it on the other side as well, like so. You can do it in little strokes so you know you don't exactly mess up your eyebrows, and you can fix it as you go along. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a little tutu gap. All you need to do is fill it in with your eyebrow pencil, and maybe if you lost your wing because you're drawing your concealer, just draw it back on, babe. You know, it's not hard. Just fill in the remainings, and all you do after that is blend, my baby. You just blend the top. Do the other side, and make sure you're doing the middle as well. And then blend in between your eyebrows so you get that nice gradient effect. This may take approximately like 3 minutes to blend. You just want to be so precise. Do you get? Like, with me, obviously I've done this often, so I've do my eyebrows quite fast now, but this on average should be taking like 5 minutes. I don't know how long you guys do to do your eyebrows, but I take maximum 5 minutes to do them. Want to make sure you also blend the area of the wing. You don't want that place dirty too, bitch. You want everything clear. Like, not just the front, the sides as well. And then obviously since you have product from the top, you can now blend it in with the bottom so it kind of matches. Do you get me? And there you have it. That's basically it, babe. So I hope you guys like that tutorial. Don't know if it helped you, but if it helped you, we love to see it. If it didn't, we still love to see it because you still watch my videos and big up your thing. But yeah, so many people asking me, so I was like, oh, let me just put it in a video quickly. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Schlet.